In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your email address in Jotform. Whether you're someone who relies on Jotform for gathering crucial information through online forms, or you just love staying organized with this powerful tool, keeping your account details up to date is key. Let's dive right in. First off, why might you need to update your email address in Jotform? Well, perhaps you've changed your primary email, or you're streamlining your accounts for better efficiency. Whatever the reason, Jotform makes this process smooth and straightforward. So let's get to it. Begin by heading over to the official Jotform website. You'll find it at jotform.com, a platform known for its ease of use when it comes to creating, managing and publishing online forms. Once there, the website welcomes you with its homepage, which is the starting point of our journey today. Next, you'll need to log into your Jotform account. To do this, look for the login button, which is typically located at the top right corner of the home page. Clicking this will bring up the login options. Jotform offers a variety of ways to log in, including through Google. If your Jotform account is connected to Google or another platform, go ahead and select that option. This step simplifies the process, especially if you prefer consolidating your logins through a single account like Google. Once logged in, navigate your way to My Forms. This is where Jotform houses all your active and archived forms. It's essentially the heart of your Jotform account, where you can access and manage everything you've created or are working on. After locating My Forms, it's time to access your account settings. But first, you need to click on your profile. You'll find this at the top right corner of the page. It's where all your personal account details reside. Upon opening your profile, proceed to click on Settings. This section of your account contains various preferences and settings that you can customize, including your personal information. Within the settings menu, you will see an option for Account. Clicking on Account takes you to a more detailed overview of your account settings, including security options and personal details. Now, to the crux of the matter, updating your email address. Within the account settings, look for the section detailing your email. Here you'll find an edit option next to your current email address. This is your cue to make the change. Click on edit and you'll be prompted to type in your new email address. This step is crucial, so double check you've entered the correct information before proceeding. Typos here could lead to complications down the line. Once you've entered your new email, it's usually a simple matter of saving your changes. And voila, you've successfully updated your email address in Jotform. A few additional tips before we wrap up. Remember, the email address associated with your Jotform account is pivotal. It's where you'll receive all notifications, responses, and communications from Jotform. So it's important to ensure that this email is one you check regularly. Also, after updating your email address, you may need to verify it. Jotform, like many online platforms, often requires email verification to ensure the security of your account. Keep an eye on your new inbox for a verification email, and follow the prompts to fully authenticate your updated email address. In conclusion, updating your email address in Jotform is a straightforward process that ensures you continue to receive important notifications and keep your account secure. By following these steps, you can make the changes quickly and get back to creating and managing your online forms. Remember, keeping your account information up to date is not just about staying organized. It's also about safeguarding your account and ensuring you're always in the loop. That's all for now. I hope this guide has been helpful. Whether you're updating your email for personal reasons or professional ones, Jotform makes the process uncomplicated, so you can focus on what truly matters, creating impactful forms that gather all the data you need. Happy form building!